Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po for being here today. I feel really honored and blessed to be standing here in front of you all right now. Ako po si Adam Bock. Ako ay isa sa mga hosts ng TV5's Vibe. I like to sing, dance, and model. And more recently, I just graduated acting workshop under Direct Ryan Carlos. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, we'd like to call on Wayne, Chan, Nico, Patrick, Spencer, Martina, Steph, Carmela, Natalie, Raheel, Caitlin, Celine, Selena, Amo, and Keisha. All right, everyone's joining in and ready na rin yung friends natin from the press sa mga tanong nila sa ating Block 1. Block 1, okay. Starworks artists. Umpisa na natin kay Romel Gonzalez. Romel, ano ngayong katanungan para sa ating mga artists? Is there anyone in particular you want to address your question to? They will introduce first themselves. Okay, let's have them introduce first themselves after Adam.
Thank you, Adam. Hello po, I'm Wayne Leonard. I am a new and aspiring artist from Starworks Block 1. And I'm very blessed and very happy to be here in front of you all today. Thank you.
Thank you, Wayne. Hey mga kapatid! Ako po si Chan Martin, 18 years old, Tubong, Bulacan. At mahilig po akong kumanta, tumugtog ng gitara at magpiano. And I'm very grateful to be part of Starworks. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Good afternoon po mga kapatid. My name is Nico Matugas. I'm an aspiring artist of Starworks Block 1 and I'm a proud local of Siargao Island. Kung may mga taga Surigao dito, maradyaw na hapon sa Ijohorot. A little something about me po. I love dancing, singing, acting, creating content, and I like to surf back in the island, to play football, and to go to the gym. I just want to say I'm very happy, very grateful to be part of Starworks, and I look forward to great things ahead. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po everyone, my name is Patrick Ballesteros. I am 18 years old and I just want to say thank you so much everyone for coming here and supporting us, and everyone who's watching the live po, thank you po so much. And fun fact about me, I love to play a lot of sports para iwas sa mga problema and everything, and at the same time malakas akong kumain, so if there's any eating competition na may papalaban kayo, count me in, alright? Thank you so much.
Magandang araw po. Ako po si Spencer Gabristriano. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta at sa mga nanood. Ayun lang po. Salamat po.
Hello everyone, I'm Martina Jacane. I'm 19 years old and I'm part of the Starworks Block 1 artists, and it's my pleasure to be here in front of all of you today.
Good afternoon mga kapatid! Thank you po for being here. I am Stephanie Razon, 17 years old, and I'm forever grateful to be part of this. I'm ready to start my new journey, and this is just the beginning. All glory to God.
Hello po mga kapatid! Ako po si Carmela Lorzano, the vocal sweetheart of Starworks. I'm 17 years old po and I'm very excited to work hard and share my journey with all of you po. Maraming salamat po.
Hello po mga kapatid! My name is Natalie Apollo, a Starworks Block 1 artist. I'm 13 years old and my talents are singing and dancing. It's nice to meet you all po. Thank you po!
What's up mga Langga? It's Raheel Gatali. I'm 14 years old. I'm your Ilongga artist of Starworks. Thank you po.
Hello mga kapatid! I'm a Starworks Block 1 artist. My name is Caitlin King. I'm 16 years old, a performer, and aspiring actor, singer, songwriter. It is such a pleasure to be here, to have you all here today, and I can't wait to show you all what I can contribute in this industry. Caitlin King, thank you so much po!
Hello everyone, my name is Celine David and I am proud and honored to be called a part of Starworks Block 1. Ako lang naman ang inyong unstoppable, grateful, jolly vitamin C! What's up mga kapatid? I'm Selena Griffin, I'm 17 years old, your all-rounder star in the works. I'm super excited to see Starworks shine on the big stage. Kaya I just want to say thank you po sa inyong lahat for being here today. It truly means a lot to us. Thank you po!
Buenos dias
everyone. My name is Kisha Serna, 18 years old, bringing the beauty and spirit of Zamboanga City. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I'm really grateful po to be here. Thank you po.
Hello mga kapatid! I'm Amo Wilding from Marikina City and I'm 15 years old. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Okay, there we have it.
There we have it.
All 16. Di ba? Parang you wish you were young again. 13, 14, 15, 16 tayo. Wag na. Wag na. Lampas na. Okay. We will entertain now questions from the press for our Block 1 artists from Starworks. Let's start off with Romel Gonzalez. Romel?
Yes, hello. Good afternoon. My question siguro is for the 4 girls in the middle and the 3 boys on stage. Alam naman nating lahat na ngayon uso ang mga bashers and critics. So as newcomers, as celebrities, paano niyo paghahandaan o haharapin ang mga bashers sa mga bashing nila and criticisms? Let's start with Martina.
Hello po, good afternoon. Thank you for that question. I think in this online world today, it's very rampant yung mga bashers online. But I think personally, bashing shouldn't always be taken to heart. I think especially if what they're saying is something that's constructive, and they're constructively criticizing you, I think you should always keep an ear open in terms of that, but also at the same time, to not let it get to your heart and to your mind and be disheartened with the craft that you're doing. Yun po. I think that's for me.
And in addition lang po sa sinabi ni Ate Martina, ngayon po kasi as artist po, hindi po natin maiiwasan yung mga bashers. It comes from the job po kasi. And I'm going to do like po is, I won't let negativity po affect my passion sa acting po at sa pagkatrabaho po namin.
For me naman po, alam ko po, sinabi po nila na it's part of the industry naman po talaga. Hindi po talaga natin siya maiiwasan. Pero for me personally, I take po what's helpful for me. So para ma-apply ko siya, para ma-improve yung sarili ko. And then I ignore the rest po, na alam ko naman na negative siya.
Same as the trip po, same lang po na depende naman po yun sa critics if it will help me or not. Pero lahat naman po ng sasabihin nila, I will take it as helpful words and para mas maging confident din po ako sa stage or performing or something. Thank you po.
And the 3 boys on stage.
So for me naman po, iti-take ko siya as self-improvement. And we can learn from our mistakes po. And hindi ko po siya iti-take as a negative. So, dun po sa opportunity na binibigay nila, binibigyan po nila ako ng time to bash. So, thank you na lang din po doon somehow. And yun nga po, self-improvement and para mas matuto pa po ako as a person.
Para sa akin naman po, dun pa lang sa pagbabash. Sorry sa pagbabash, di naman talaga maiwasan yan. Kasi it's kind of a good thing because doon pa lang nakikita mo nang napapansin ka na ng mga tao. And you're going to use that. Ako, para sa akin, gagamitin ko yun as a motivation for myself to keep myself going up. Tsaka, pakita sa kanila na may kaya akong gawin. Di ba?
For me naman po, when it comes to bashers or negative critics, I like to apply a kind of like a surfer mentality. In surfing kasi when you ride the wave, you fall down, you get wiped out, but you always get back on your board and paddle to get the next wave. So when it comes to this industry, I know that we're going to fall, we're going to experience a lot of mistakes, a lot of bashers, it's part of the job. But I feel that we must not let it affect us. We must learn from it, use it as our fuel to bounce back and paddle and get the next wave. Thank you po.
Are you a surfer?
Yes po.
Good show. Thank you boys and girls and congratulations Starworks.
Thank you po.
Next question.